Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you to a super fun gateway just outside Bhopal, Crescent Water Park. Crescent Water Park is located on Bhopal Indore Express Highway around 40 kilometers from Bhopal city. It's about an hour's drive, perfect for a weekend escape or a spontaneous Sunday adventure like mine. The entrance is colorful and inviting, and the staff were friendly right from the start. Also, there is a food court inside. Tickets are reasonably priced, and yes, they have separate changing rooms for gents and ladies, as well as locker facilities. Okay, now I am ready to explore the water park. This is a mini water play zone for kids. You can see kids are absolutely loving it. Now I am moving towards rides section. Crescent has got decent variety of high-speed slides.
हेलो हो ऐसे पकड़ के ओह,
I tried three slides, and this one on the yellow track was the best one.
थैंक यू भैया हो गया हो गया वाह थैंक यू भैया थैंक्स आपका नाम क्या है हेलो
After all that splashing around, you will definitely get hungry. There is a restaurant over here wherein you can get snacks, lunch, cold drink, quick bites.
तो बुफे है यहाँ पर है मिरेकल हाउस
I already booked a buffet, and
क्या क्या
this is what they serve in the buffet. It was quite good. I mean, okay. I enjoyed it. This is a kind of beach section wherein you can enjoy water with little waves. I really liked it. That was awesome. The water was not that deep inside, hardly 4 to 4.5 feet deep, and you can swim there easily. There is a lounger facility also available, wherein you can simply go and relax, just like you are sitting on a sandy beach and enjoying the view, taking a sun bath. This is the most exciting section, rain dance. I really enjoyed it. That was really fun activity to do this kind of rain dance. Now I am exploring the last but not the least section of this water park, the longest pool I have ever seen in any of the water park. This is really a long pool. I have never seen this kind of long pool in any of the water park before. Here there are so many people swimming. It's time to take a deep dive. Wow, that was really nice. One more deep dive. This was really good. Here I got some new friends. They were really happy to shoot into the video. This is a kids section where water depth is not too deep. They provide life jacket so that kids can wear those jackets and easily swim into the water. Here they are enjoying the photo shoot into the pool. There is a nice bed facility available so that you can relax on those beds. Also, the pool has got lounger facility as well. Okay, that's all from the water park. Now I am heading back to the changing room, and after that I will be on my way back to home. All in all, Crescent Water Park is a fun, affordable, and refreshing day trip. I would totally recommend it if you are looking for a cool way to spend your weekend. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next adventure. Remember, there is a life beyond competition. Live the life beyond competition.